Namaskar, I'm Semolina. Welcome to Foodie. Beaten rice, poha or chire, a humble ingredient in our Indian pantry and can be used to make variety of dishes easily. Today I'm going to make a poha recipe in this Appe mold, so I call it Poha Appam or Poha Appe. Let's get started. So the first step to making our Poha Appe is grinding our poha. In front of me in this ramekin I have clean thin poha. Now you can use the medium poha or thick poha too. Transferring it to my grinding jar, put the lid on and grind it. Pouring the poha flour in this bowl, add semolina, sprinkle salt, then sugar, whisk the dry ingredients, then add this finely chopped capsicum, finely chopped carrot. Now time to add some flavoring agent. Finely chopped red onion, coriander leaves, grated ginger, chopped green chillies, and this chopped curry leaves. Add beaten yogurt, add water, mix together till everything well combined. Now cover with a lid and set it off to the side for about 5 minutes and heat up your Appe pan over medium heat. Pour a teaspoon of oil in each cavity. Now if you don't have this Appe pan or Appam pan, then you can use this regular frying pan. In that case you need to make the batter little bit runny. Just fry them like pancakes. The oil is hot. Fill each cavity with a tablespoon of batter. Cover with a lid and cook each side for a couple of minutes, about 3 to 4 minutes. Then turn the other side. The top side may stick to your spoon or your fork when you turn them. Don't worry about it. Cook further for 3 to 4 minutes or until fully cooked. Now you can check the doneness with the toothpick test. Take a toothpick, insert in a center of the appam. If it comes out clean, then it's ready to serve. Now enjoy this crispy outside and soft inside appes, or I should say poha appes, with your favorite chutney or sambar. Many of you asked me to share breakfast, snacks and kids lunchbox recipes. This recipe ticks all the boxes, and if you enjoyed this recipe, then please share the video with your friends and family and do subscribe. We'll meet again. Till then, bye.